Wheat is one of the most widely grown crop of the world. It is very popular in Pakistan, especially in Punjab, and one of the biggest assets for the farmers. April and May is the harvesting period of this crop in Punjab. A special day is fixed and a wheat harvesting machine or a simple thresher is set to separate grains from stalks and husks. On the fixed day, different people are set on the work. And it's a day for children's jubilation because they get their part, which is called reedy in local language. Everyone is happy and they enjoy each and every moment. Especially the farmers who waited for a long time for this blessed day. Now the yield is in their hands and they are thankful.